ఒక త్రిభుజం యొక్క ఏరియా కానీ పారలెలోగ్రామ్ ఏరియా కానీ రిలేషన్ డాట్ అండ్ క్రాస్ మధ్యలో లెక్కలు కానీ చేస్తాము. ఒక ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే ఏ బార్ క్రాస్ బి బార్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ a bar dot b bar whole square is equal to 144 and mod of a bar is equal to 4, then what is the magnitude of b bar? And the problem is based on both dot and the cross. a bar b bar రెండు వెక్టార్లు వాటి మధ్యలో రిలేషన్ ఇచ్చాడు ఏంటి a cross b whole square plus a dot b whole square equal to 144 అయితే mod of a bar 4 అయితే mod of b bar అడిగాడు Now let angle between a bar and b bar is equal to some theta. Given that a bar cross b bar whole square plus a bar dot b bar whole square is equal to 144. Earlier classes also I told you a bar square is nothing but mod of a bar square. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనము mod of a bar cross b bar whole square and a bar dot b bar whole square is equal to 144. According to the cross product, it will be magnitude of a bar square, magnitude of b bar square, sin square theta plus any of mod of n bar will be 1. Similarly, mod of a bar square, mod of b bar square into cos square theta equal to 144. మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి a bar b bar కామన్ తీసామనుకోండి mod of a bar square into mod of b bar square times of 1 is equal to 144. ఆల్రెడీ mod of a ఇచ్చాడు సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ మనకు 16 times of mod of b bar square equal to 144. So mod of b square is equal to 144 divided by 16 which is nothing but 9. Therefore the length of the b bar vector will be is equal to 3. అంటే రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్ డాట్ అండ్ క్రాస్ ద్వారా మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్ కట్టడము. a bar cross i bar a bar cross i bar plus 2a bar minus 5 times of j bar is equal to 0 bar, then a bar is equal to అంటే ఇక్కడ క్రాస్ అడిషన్ ఆఫ్ వెక్టార్స్ కాంబినేషన్లో ఉందమ్మా క్రాస్ అండ్ అడిషన్ ఆఫ్ ది వెక్టార్స్ అండ్ ఈక్వలేటెడ్ టు 0 బార్ అన్నాడు. అలాంటప్పుడు లెట్ a bar is equal to some x times of I bar, y times of j bar, z times of k bar. ఈ a bar వెక్టార్ని ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి మనం x times of I bar plus y times of j bar plus z times of k bar cross I bar plus 2 times of xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar minus 5 times of j bar is equal to 0 bar. Eliminate the values of x and y and z on equalating. ఇక్కడ మనం డాట్ అప్లై చేస్తే ఈ రెండింటి మధ్యలో క్రాస్ అప్లై చేస్తే దట్ ఈస్ ద డిటర్మినెంట్ ఆఫ్ I, j, k, x, y, z 1 0 0 and which is nothing but I bar times of 0 minus 0 minus j bar times of 0 minus z plus k bar times of 0 minus y and which is nothing but z times of j bar minus y times of k bar. ఈ వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాను. దెన్ వీ హ్యావ్ z times of j bar y times of k bar plus 2x I bar 2y j bar 2z k bar minus 5 times of j bar is equal to 0 bar. ఇప్పుడు I bar j bar k bar కాంపోనెంట్ వైజ్గా సపరేట్ చేస్తే మనకు ఇట్ ఈస్ 2x times of I bar ప్లస్ j bar కాంపోనెంట్ j bar అంటే ఇక్కడ z తర్వాత మైనస్ 5 ఇంటూ j bar ప్లస్ 2y ఒక కోఎఫిషియంట్ ప్లస్ 2y టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ j bar అండ్ k bar కాంపోనెంట్ విల్ బి మైనస్ y అండ్ ప్లస్ 2z is equal to 0 bar. 0 bar can be written as 0 into I bar, 0 into j bar, 0 into k bar. అప్పుడు x is equal to 0 క్లియర్గా వస్తుంది మనకు. ఇంకొక ఈక్వేషన్ ఏంటంటే z minus 5 plus 2y is equal to 0. మూడో ఈక్వేషను minus 5 plus 2z is equal to 0. minus 5 plus 2z అంటే ఇక్కడ y is equal to 2z. ఈ విలువ ఇందులో ప్రతిక్షేపిస్తే z minus 5 plus 2 times of 2z is equal to 0. 4z plus z, 5z minus 5 is equal to 0 అంటే z equal to 1 అమ్మా. z equal to 1 ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే y is equal to 2 times of 1 అంటే that leads y equal to 2. y is equal to 2, z equal to 1, x equal to 0. Therefore, the required vector a bar is equal to x component 0 కనుక 2 times of j bar plus z k bar. This is the required vector. Combination of cross product and addition of vectors. Good question. Find the area of the parallelogram. Find the area of the parallelogram whose diagonal vectors are given. The area of the parallelogram whose diagonal vectors are given. Diagonal vectors are given d1 bar. d1 bar is equal to I bar plus j bar minus k bar. d2 bar. d2 bar is equal to 2 times of I bar minus j bar plus 2k bar. Find the area. Area of the parallelogram when the diagonals d1 bar and d2 bar is given. d1 bar and d2 bar. Just now we have discussed area of the parallelogram with d1 bar and d2 bar diagonals will be area. Area will be is equal to 1 by 2 times mod of d1 bar cross d2 bar square units. First calculate the cross product of d1 d2 then apply the area. So d1 bar cross d2 bar is equal to determinant of I bar j bar k bar 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 plus 2 and that is nothing but I bar times of 2 minus 1 minus j bar times of 2 plus 2 and plus k bar times of minus 1 minus 2 and which is nothing but I bar minus 4 times of j bar minus 3 times of k bar. Therefore, the area of the parallelogram will be is equal to 1 by 2 times root over 1 plus 16 plus 9 ma and that is 10 root 26 divided by 2 square units. Area of the parallelogram with the diagonal vectors are given. Find the area of the rectangle whose adjacent sides are given by. Find the area of the rectangle, its adjacent sides are given by. The adjacent sides of the rectangle is given by 2 times of I bar plus 3j bar and 4 times of k bar. Area of the rectangle. Just now we have discussed if a bar b bar are the adjacent sides of the quadrilateral parallelogram, part of the area of the rectangle will be is equal to magnitude of a bar cross b bar, where a bar b bar are the adjacent sides of the parallelogram and the rectangle. So a bar is equal to 2 times of I bar plus 3j bar and b bar is equal to 4 times of k bar. So first a bar cross b bar equal to determinant of I bar j bar k bar, that is 2 3 0 and 0 0 4. On expanding this determinant, I bar times of 12 minus 0 minus j bar times of 8 minus 0 plus k bar times of 0 minus 0. So the cross product of a bar b bar will be 12 times of I bar minus 8 j bar. So area will be is equal to root of 144 plus 64. That is 144 plus 64 is equal to 8, 208. Root of 208 square units, the area of the above rectangle. If the adjacent sides of a triangle are given by, I bar minus 2j bar plus 2k bar and 3i bar plus 2j bar minus 5k bar. These two are the adjacent sides of a triangle, then find the area. So let a bar, if a bar and b bar are the adjacent sides of a triangle, a bar and b bar, then area of this triangle, first vector we take a bar and second vector will be b bar. area of the triangle will be is equal to modulus of 1 by 2 times of A bar cross B bar square units. Area of the triangle having A bar and B bar are the adjacent sides. So, A bar cross B bar is equal to determinant of I bar, J bar, K bar. The first vector will be 1 minus 2 plus 2 and the second vector will be 3, 2 minus 5. So, which is equal to I bar times of 10 minus 4 minus J bar times of minus 5 minus 6 plus K bar times of 2 plus 6, and that is 6 times of I bar, 11 times of J bar, 8 times of K bar, A bar cross B bar. So, area is equal to 1 by 2 times root over 36 plus 121 plus 64, and which is nothing but 1 by 2 times root over 100 121 1 2 220 221 divided by 2 square units. Area of the triangle having A bar B bar as the adjacent sides. Find the area of the triangle formed by the points whose position vectors are OA bar is equal to 3 times of I bar plus J bar, OB bar is equal to 5 times of I bar plus 2J bar plus K bar, and OC bar is equal to I bar minus 2J bar plus 3K bar. If A comma B comma C are the vertices of a triangle ABC, then find the area of the triangle. A, B, C are the vertices. Given A is equal to 3 comma 1 comma 0 and the given B is equal to 5 comma 2 comma 1, C is equal to 1 comma minus 2 comma 3, then find the area of the triangle. Just now we have discussed that area of the triangle delta is equal to 1 by 2 times mod of AB bar cross AC bar square units, where AB bar AC bar are the adjacent sides of the triangle. First find out the sides AB bar, adjacent sides. AB bar is equal to OB bar minus OA bar, and which is equal to 5 times of I bar plus 2J bar plus K bar minus OB bar minus OA bar, 3 times of I bar plus J bar, which is 5I subtracted by 3I, 2 times of I bar, and plus J bar 2I minus and plus K bar. Alage adjacent sides of the second AC bar is equal to OC bar minus OA bar, which is AC bar. AC bar is I bar minus 2J bar plus 3K bar subtracted by OA bar. OA bar will be 3I bar plus J bar, and I bar subtracted by 3I bar, that is minus 2I bar minus 2J subtracted by J minus 3J bar plus 3K bar. The first we calculated the sides AB bar AC bar. Now calculate AB bar cross AC bar, and that is equal to determinant of I bar J bar K bar. AB bar will be 2 1 1, AC bar minus 2 minus 3 plus 3. Find out the cross product of these two vectors, that is I bar times of 3 plus 3 minus J bar times of 6 plus 2 plus K bar times of minus 6 plus 2, which is nothing but 6 times of I bar minus 8 times of J bar minus 4 times of K bar. So, delta is equal to 1 by 2 times mod of A cross B, that is 36 plus 64 plus 4 16, which is equal to delta is root of 116 by 2 square units. A bar and B bar, two vectors. Magnitude of A bar will be 3, magnitude of B bar equal to 2, and angle between A bar and B bar pi by 3. Then find the area of the triangle with adjacent sides A bar plus 2B bar and 2A bar plus B bar. I will repeat the question. ప్రశ్న మళ్ళీ చదువుతున్నానమ్మా. A bar B barలు రెండు వెక్టార్లు, వాటి లెంత్లు mod of A bar will be 3, mod of B bar equal to 2, and వాటి మధ్యలో కోణము 60 degrees. Vector area of the triangle with adjacent sides a bar plus 2b bar 2a bar plus b bar అంటే మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు వెక్టార్లో ఏరియాస్ ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి సంబంధించినటువంటి లెక్క. సో గివెన్ దట్ mod of a bar is equal to 3, mod of b bar is equal to 2 and angle between a bar and b bar is equal to pi by 3, that is 60 degrees. Then find the area of the triangle with adjacent sides 2a bar plus b bar, 2a bar plus b bar and a bar plus 2b bar, a bar plus 2b bar. Find the area of the triangle having 2a bar plus b bar and a bar plus 2b bar as the adjacent sides. Now let adjacent side p bar is equal to 2a bar plus b bar and q bar is equal to a bar plus 2b bar. As p bar and q bar are the adjacent sides of the triangle, then area delta is equal to 1 by 2 times mod of p bar cross q bar. So delta is equal to 1 by 2 times mod of p bar, 2 times of a bar plus b bar cross a bar plus 2b bar. Apply the cross product, that is 1 by 2 times of 2 a bar cross a bar will be 0, b bar cross b bar will be 0, and it will be 4 times of a bar cross b bar and plus b bar cross a bar. Earlier I told you a cross b is equal to minus of b cross a, b cross a is equal to minus of a cross b, that is equal to 1 by 2 times magnitude of a bar cross b bar minus a bar cross b bar, and that is 3 by 2, 3 by 2 times mod of a bar cross b bar, and given that delta is equal to 3 by 2 times mod of a bar into mod of b bar into sine of angle between a bar b bar into 1 unit vector. So which is equal to 3 by 2 times of mod of a bar will be 3, mod of b bar is equal to 2 sine of 60 degrees, 2 times cancel, that is 9 times of root 3 divided by 2, which is 9 root 3 by 2 square units. Area of the triangle with adjacent side 2a bar plus b bar and a bar plus 2b bar. ఇప్పుడు ఏరియా ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత ఒక పారామీటర్ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేయమంటున్నాడు మా. The area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given as 3i bar plus 4j bar plus lambda k bar and 2i bar minus 4k bar, sorry 2j bar minus 4k bar is root 436 square units. Lambda is a positive quantity, then tell me lambda. Ante area of the parallelogram is given, adjacent sides are given, eliminate one parameter lambda. Okay, the area of the parallelogram with adjacent sides given by 3 times of I bar plus 4 times of j bar lambda times of k bar and 2j bar minus 4k bar is root 436. Then the value of lambda, where lambda is greater than or equal to 0. ఇంతకుముందు చేసినటువంటి ప్రాబ్లంకు ఈ ప్రాబ్లంకు తేడా ఏంటి? మనం ఇంతకుముందేమో ఏరియాస్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసాము, ఇక్కడ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది parallelogram is given, eliminate a lambda. So given that adjacent sides of a parallelogram a bar is equal to 3 times of I bar plus 4 times of j bar lambda times of k bar, b bar is equal to 2j bar minus 4k bar. Area of the parallelogram is root 436, then lambda value. And first you calculate the area of the parallelogram, then equate it to root 436. So just now we discussed what is the area. Area of parallelogram is mod of A bar cross B bar square units. ముందు A cross B క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి దాన్ని mod క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి మా. దట్ ఈజ్ determinant of I bar, J bar, K bar 3, 4 lambda 0, 2, minus 4. First vector 3, 4 lambda, second vector J bar missing 0, 2, minus 4, and which will be is equal to I bar times of minus 16 minus 2 lambda minus J bar times of minus 12 minus 0 plus K bar times of 6 minus 0, and that is nothing but I bar times of minus 16 minus 2 lambda and minus into minus plus 12 times of J bar plus 6 times of K bar. Now equate area will be is equal to root of minus 16 minus 2 lambda whole square plus 12 whole square plus 6 whole square, and that is root of, as we took 2 common, 4 into 8 minus lambda whole square plus 144 plus 36 is equal to root 436. Both absolute on squaring both sides. 144 plus 36, that is 10, 0, 8, 180, root of 4 times of 64 plus lambda square minus 16 lambda and plus 180 is equal to root 436 on squaring both sides. It is 4 times of 64 plus lambda square minus 16 lambda plus 180 is equal to 436. 16, 164, 256 plus 4 lambda square minus 64 lambda is equal to 436 minus 180, which is 4 lambda square minus 64 times of lambda is equal to 436 minus 180 minus 256 subtract, which is 4 lambda square minus 64 lambda is equal to 436, 180, 256, which is 6, 3, 1, 436, which is equal to 0. As we took 4 lambda common, it will be lambda square, lambda minus 16 is equal to 0. So, we are getting two values for lambda, lambda is equal to 0 or lambda is equal to 16. A bar is equal to I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar, B bar is equal to minus I bar plus 2j bar plus k bar, C bar equal to 3I bar plus j bar, and D bar is a normal to both A bar B bar, then the angle between C bar and D bar. Ante application of the cross product followed by angle between the two vectors. A vector A bar is equal to I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar, and another vector B bar is equal to minus I bar plus 2j bar plus k bar. C bar is equal to 3I bar plus j bar, and D bar is normal to both A bar and B bar. Then you are supposed to find angle between C bar and D bar. Application of the cross product as well as the dot product. Which vector is perpendicular to both A bar and B bar? So D bar is normal to both A bar and B bar. So the vector D bar will be is equal to A bar cross B bar, because earlier also we have discussed a vector perpendicular to both A bar B bar is A bar cross B bar. So the vector D bar will be is equal to I bar J bar K bar A cross B, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 2 and 1, which is nothing but I bar times of 2 minus 6 minus J bar times of 1 plus 3 plus K bar times of 2 plus 2 2 plus 2. So the vector d bar will be 4 times of I bar minus 4 times of j bar plus 4 times of k bar. This is the vector d bar. Now you are supposed to find the angle between c bar and d bar. Now let angle between c bar and d bar is equal to some theta. So cos theta is equal to c bar dot d bar divided by mod of c bar into mod of d bar. So calculate c bar dot d bar. C bar dot d bar is equal to the value of c bar. C bar is given by 3 times of I bar plus j bar and dot product with d bar 4 times of I bar, 4 times of j bar, 4 times of k bar, and that is nothing but 12 and plus 4, a1, b1, a2, b2, which is 16. So cos theta is equal to 16 divided by mod of c bar. Mod of c bar will be root over 9 plus 1 and mod of d bar will be 16 plus 16 plus 16, and which is equal to 16 divided by root 10 times of, it is 16, 16, 16, which is 4 times of root 3. So 4 ones are 4, 4s are cancel, which is 4 divided by root 30. Therefore the angle between c bar and d bar is theta is equal to cos inverse of 4 divided by root 30. A vector a bar is equal to 2I bar plus j bar minus 2k bar. A bar equal to 2I bar plus j bar minus 2k bar. B bar equal to I bar plus j bar. If c bar is a vector such that a bar dot c bar equal to mod of c bar, and mod of c bar minus a bar is 2 root 2, and the angle between a bar cross b bar and c bar is 30 degrees, then the magnitude value of a bar cross b bar cross c bar అంటే 3 వెక్టార్ల మధ్యలో క్రాస్ మా. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు given information, given that the vector a bar will be is equal to 2 times of I bar plus j bar minus 2k bar. Another vector b bar is equal to I bar plus j bar. C bar is a vector such that a bar dot c bar is equal to mod of c bar, and it satisfies mod of c bar minus a bar is equal to 2 root 2, and the angle between a bar cross b bar and c bar will be is equal to 30 degrees. Then you are supposed to calculate mod of a bar cross b bar and cross c bar is equal to how much? Relation between dot and the cross as well as the product of the 3 vectors ma ikkada. Okay, a vector a bar will be is equal to 2I bar plus j bar minus 2k bar. B bar is I bar plus j bar, and it satisfies a dot c equal to mod of c bar. A dot c equal to mod of c bar, and mod of c bar minus a bar will be 2 root 2, and the angle between a cross b and c bar is 30 degrees. Then the value of magnitude of a cross b cross c. First you take mod of c bar minus a bar is equal to 2 root 2. On expanding we noticed that mod of c bar square plus mod of a bar square minus 2 times of c bar dot a bar is equal to 8. Apply squaring on both sides. So this is mod of c bar square. What is mod of a bar? That is root of 4 plus 1 plus 4 whole square, and minus 2 into c bar dot a bar is equal to mod of c bar minus 8 equal to 0, or moreover mod of c bar square plus this is 9 minus 2 into mod of c bar minus 8 equal to 0, and which is mod of c bar square minus 2 into mod of c bar plus 1 equal to 0. The mod of c bar minus 1 whole square equal to 0. The mod of c bar is equal to 1. It is a unit vector. Okay, but we are supposed to calculate the value of mod of a cross b cross c on expanding by using cross product of these two. This is mod of a bar cross b bar and mod of c bar sine of angle between a bar cross b bar c bar into mod of n cap perpendicular to A cross B cross C plane. And first calculate A cross B. So, the value of A bar cross B bar is equal to determinant of I bar, J bar, K bar. A bar will be 2, 1, minus 2 and B bar will be 1, 1, 0. Expand. So, which is equal to I bar times of 0 plus 2 minus J bar times of 0 plus 2 and plus K bar times of 2 minus 1, which is 2 times of I bar minus 2 times of J bar plus K bar. This is A bar cross B bar. Now, mod of A bar cross B bar will be is equal to square root of 4 plus 4 plus 1, which is nothing but 3. These two values substitute here. This is 3 into mod of C bar will be 1 into sine of angle between A cross B, that is 30 degrees into 1 sine 30. So, 3 by 2 units. The magnitude of A cross B cross C equal to 3 by 2 units. Cross product application. Finding the perpendicular distance from a point to the line. Find the perpendicular distance from a point E 1, 4, minus 2 to the line BC bar, where B is equal to 2, 1, minus 2 and C is equal to 0, minus 5, 1. Using cross product, we are finding the perpendicular distance from a point A to the BC line. You draw a projection. A is equal to 1, 4, minus 2, a perpendicular is drawn and to the BC. B is equal to 2, 1, minus 2 and C equal to 0, minus 5, 1. Find the perpendicular distance AD. On joining ABC, a triangle will be formed. Delta, area of the triangle delta is equal to 1 by 2 times mod of BC bar and into AD bar of base into height. So, we want AD bar. Mod of AD bar will be is equal to 2 delta divided by mod of BC bar. First find the area of the triangle followed by mod of BC bar. So, delta is equal to mod of BA bar cross BC bar. BA bar cross BC bar, adjacent sides. So, the vector BA bar is equal to OA bar minus OB bar. The position vector of OA bar will be I bar plus 4J bar minus 2K bar minus position vector of B bar 2I bar plus J bar minus 2K bar. That is nothing but I bar minus 2I bar minus I bar, 4J bar minus J bar, that is 3 times of J bar minus 2K and minus of plus 2K, which is 0. And BC bar is equal to OC bar minus OB bar. The vector OC bar is minus 5 times of J bar plus K bar and subtracted by OB bar 2 times of I bar plus J bar minus 2K bar. On subtraction, we noticed that minus 2I bar minus 5J minus J will be minus 6J bar, K bar plus 2K bar, that is 3K bar. Now, calculate the value of delta. Delta is equal to 1 by 2 times of BA bar cross BC bar. Okay. So, first find out BA bar cross BC bar. The value of BA bar cross BC bar is equal to determinant of I bar, J bar, K bar, BA bar. BA bar is equal to minus 1, 3, 0. BC bar will be minus 2, minus 6 and plus 3. On expanding this determinant, I bar times of 9 minus 0 minus J bar times of minus 3 minus 0 plus K bar times of 6 minus 6 plus 6, that is 9 times of I bar plus 3 times of J bar plus 12 times of K bar. BA bar, substitute, which is equal to 2 times determinant 1 by 2 into root over 81 plus 9 plus 4 divided by mod of BC bar. Mod of BC bar will be root over 4 plus 36 plus 9. 2 times cancel. It will be 90. Root 94 divided by 7 units. 3 vectors. A bar plus 2B bar plus 3C bar is equal to 0 bar. 3 vectors. A bar plus 2B bar plus 3C bar is equal to 0 bar, and this satisfies A bar cross B bar plus B bar cross C bar plus C bar cross A bar is equal to lambda times of A bar cross B bar, then lambda value. They express A cross B, B cross C, C cross A in terms of A cross B with the relation A bar plus 2B bar plus 3C bar equal to 0 bar. And first we will express B cross C in terms of A cross B, C cross A in terms of A cross B, then eliminating lambda. So given that A bar plus 2B bar plus 3C bar is equal to 0 bar, or A bar plus 2B bar is equal to minus 3 times of C bar, taking cross C bar on both sides. As we apply cross C bar or cross C bar on both sides, then it will be A bar plus 2 times of B bar and cross C bar is equal to minus 3 times of C bar cross C bar. Earlier also just now we discussed C cross C equal to 0 bar. So that will be A bar cross C bar plus 2 times of B bar cross C bar is equal to 0 bar. And we got A bar cross C bar will be is equal to minus 2 times of B bar cross C bar, or C bar cross A bar is equal to, it is 2 times of B bar cross C bar, removing the negative symbol. And the above vector will be reduced in the form of A bar cross B bar plus B bar cross C bar plus C bar cross A bar will be 2 into B bar cross C bar. It will be A bar cross B bar plus 3 times of B bar cross C bar. Now express B bar cross C bar in terms of A cross B. Again consider A bar plus 2B bar plus 3C bar is equal to 0 bar. And B cross C in terms of A cross B. So A bar plus 2B 3C bar, A bar plus 3C bar is equal to minus 2B bar. Now apply cross B bar on both sides. So A bar plus 3C bar cross B bar is equal to minus 2B bar cross B bar, which is A bar cross B bar plus 3 times of C bar cross B bar is equal to 0 bar. The A bar cross B bar plus is equal to minus 3 times of C bar cross B bar. Moreover, A bar cross B bar is equal to 3 times of B bar cross C bar. In the place of B bar cross 3 replaced by A cross B, then it will be A bar cross B bar plus 3 times of B cross C equal to A bar cross B bar, which is 2 times of A bar cross B bar. Therefore, lambda is equal to 2. And expressing A cross B, B cross C, C cross A in terms of A cross B. Application of the cross product. OA bar is equal to A bar, OB bar is equal to 10A bar plus 2B bar, and OC bar is equal to B bar. 3 coinitial vectors where A and C are non-collinear points. Let P denotes the area of the quadrilateral OABC and Q denotes the area of the parallelogram with adjacent sides OA bar and OC bar. Then the ratio of P by Q. And you are comparing areas between quadrilateral and the area of the triangle. Okay. Now given that OA bar is equal to A bar. OB bar will be is equal to 10 times of A bar plus 2 times of B bar. OC bar is equal to B bar. A and C are non-collinear and P denotes the area of quadrilateral OABC, and Q denotes area of parallelogram with OA bar and OC bar adjacent sides. Then comparison of the areas, P by Q is equal to how much? OABC, to draw one quadrilateral OABC, O, A, B and C, where A and C are non-collinear, OABC quadrilateral. OA bar is equal to A bar and OB bar is equal to 10 times of A bar plus 2 times of B bar. OC bar is equal to B bar, this is B bar, this is A bar. Then find the area of the quadrilateral formed by OABC and area of the parallelogram with OA, OC as the adjacent sides. First Q is area of parallelogram with adjacent sides OA bar and OC bar, that is Q is equal to mod of A bar cross B bar. First one. P, what is P? P is the area of the quadrilateral formed by OABC. So, area of quadrilateral OABC is equal to, we can divide into two triangles. Area of triangle OAB plus area of triangle OBC, and that is equal to 1 by 2 times A bar mod of cross 10 times of A bar plus 2B bar plus 1 by 2 times of 10 times of A bar plus 2B bar and cross B bar, which is equal to 1 by 2 times modulus of A bar 10 A bar will be 0, that is 2 times of B bar cross A bar plus 1 by 2 times 10 times of A bar, 10 times of A bar cross B bar, and B cross B will be 0. Here 2 times, 5 times and 2 times cancel. Therefore, P is equal to 5 plus 1, 6 times of A bar cross B bar. So, we want P by Q. The value of P by Q will be is equal to 6 times of A bar cross B bar and divided by A bar cross B bar. On A cross B cancel, which is 6, or P is equal to 6 times of Q, the relation between area of the quadrilateral and area of the parallelogram. Find the point of intersection of the lines. Find point of intersection of lines R bar cross B bar is equal to B bar cross A bar and R bar cross B bar is equal to A bar cross B bar. Find the point of intersection of these two lines. First line R bar cross B bar is equal to B bar cross A bar, and this implies R bar cross B bar minus B bar cross A bar is equal to 0 bar. From the above to take out, and it can be written as R bar cross B bar plus A bar cross minus B bar, or we can able to write R bar cross B bar plus A bar cross B bar is equal to 0 bar. Now take out R bar plus A bar and cross B bar is equal to 0 bar. What is the meaning of this one? Cross product is 0 means one vector parallel to other vector. r bar cross a bar parallel to b bar. This implies r bar plus a bar is equal to lambda 1 times of b bar. Second vector, second line, r bar cross b bar is equal to a bar cross b bar. And that implies r bar cross b bar minus a bar cross b bar. A bar cross b bar is equal to 0. So, r bar minus a bar and cross b bar is equal to 0. So, r bar minus a bar is equal to parallel to b bar, and that implies r bar minus a bar is equal to lambda 2 times of b bar. Go for the point of intersection of these two, and lambda minus 1 by test. The point of intersection will be r bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. F bar will be is equal to 2 times of I bar plus 2 times of j bar plus 5 times of k bar, and a point A is 1 comma 2 comma 5, B will be minus 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 3. BA bar cross F bar is equal to 4 times of I bar, 6 times of j bar plus 2 lambda times of k bar. Then the value of lambda is equal to, given that BA bar cross F bar is equal to this value. So, BA bar, what is BA bar? BA bar is equal to OA bar minus OB bar, which is nothing but I bar plus 2j bar plus 5k bar minus OB bar minus I bar minus 2j bar minus 3k bar, and which is I bar minus of minus 2I bar, 2j bar, that is 4j bar, 5k plus 3k, 8k bar. And BA bar cross F bar, that is equal to determinant of I bar, j bar, k bar. BA bar is 2, 4, 8, F bar is 2, 2, 5, and that is nothing but I bar times of 20 minus 16 minus j bar times of 10 minus 16 plus k bar times of 4 minus 8, which is 4 times of I bar plus 6 times of j bar minus 4 times of k bar. And given that BA bar cross F bar is equal to 4I bar plus 6j bar plus 2 lambda k bar, equalating both of them, then 2 lambda is equal to minus 4, therefore lambda is equal to minus 2. అంటే comparison between the two vectors.